They got the Steelers.
I couldn't even tell you.
I'll tell you who they play right now, so take me 1 second. All right, here you go. They got the Dolphins. They got the Brown. Wait, they lost. Oh, wait. Am I looking at the wrong team? No, wait, where? Oh, I'm looking at the Bills schedule. Okay, so give it to me.
They got the Bills this week, home for San Diego, and then at Pittsburgh.
Home for San Diego. You know what? They're gonna lose to the Bills and Steelers. They might very well. I would not, like, Phillip Rivers should beat them, right? In Cleveland, stranger things have happened. I mean, that Charger team stinks too. I think Mike McCoy's gonna get fired. I still don't like the Browns to win a game. I cannot bet against Phillip Rivers against that Browns defense. He should be able to light them up. Yeah, I don't think they're winning a game.